Now, this is the final step of uploading a product, which is step 4. In uploading a product, you need to provide another set of pictures at this part. You are advised to upload at least one picture, and you are strongly advised to upload the maximum of 5 images. After you are through with that, you expect to provide the details of the product. Here you need to give all the information that can make a customer want to buy the product. This part as well also give you the option of uploading images, good quality images that can attract customers. And finally, you're expected to provide the delivery information of the product. When you are through with this, you are strongly advised to save products to warehouse before publishing it. I've already explained what warehouse is, and I've talked about publishing the product, that is saving it on the shelf. Let's go and practice this live. Now I've uploaded the images. I have to click on next. After clicking on next, I'm now at the final stage. I want to upload images. These images are expected to be different from the one you selected earlier. I'm uploading this. I'm uploading the 5th one. These are the images I've selected. Below here, you can see that it is showing set main photos. You can choose the one you want to appear as the main photos. I've selected this as my main photo. If you don't want this to be your main photo, just click on this part here. It will change. That means this will be the main photo, or you want this to be the main photo, but I want this to be the main photo. Then I'll move to the product information. Product information requires you to provide all the information about the product. In this case, I have these are the information about the product I want to sell. Now, once you are done with this, you have the option to design your text here. This is how big you want it to be. If I click on this, you can see that it gets bigger, but this is not interesting. I can change it. I want it to be a bit smaller. Then you want to bold it. This is where you can bold it, bold your text. If you don't want, this is where you can bold your text. You can put paragraph in your image by pressing enter. This is paragraph. You can do all sorts of things. Another thing that you need to pay attention to here is that you can upload image here as well. Below this, by uploading image, you click on this icon here. When you click on this icon, let me upload these 2 images. I want to upload 2 images here. You click on OK. You see the image is going to appear here. This is the image. I want to upload another image, and the image is this is the second image I want to upload. Click on OK. This is the second. I have the 2 images here. This is the final stage where you need to provide the delivery information. Now, this delivery circle is in hours. How many hours will the product be delivered? You can choose any of these. You can choose 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours. In this case, let me put 48 hours. Now, this weight is very, very important. You must provide the weight of the product. That means you have to find a way of measuring the weight of the product you are selling. Most cases, there are some branded products that the weight of that product is already provided in their package. You can always try to look at the package to find the weight of some products. Here, length, width, and height are not very, very important. If you cannot provide this information, or you don't have a means of measuring them, you can just leave them blank. Now, this part is very important. If the product you are selling is dangerous, you need to click on yes. If it is a normal product that is not dangerous, you click on no. So in this case, the weight of my product, I'm putting 1 kg. I'm leaving this part empty. Then the next thing I'm going to do, you have the publish button here, and you have the save to warehouse button here. If you click on the publish button, this product will automatically go to shelf, and by going to shelf, that means it is already live. People can see it and purchase it immediately. But because this is the first step, you are advised to save it to warehouse, and it's going to go to this part. Once you save it to warehouse, you can now cross-check every information you provided before you can publish it and put it on shelf. So let's save our product to warehouse. Congratulations, published successfully. That means you have saved the product to the warehouse. This is how the warehouse looks like. In our next session, I'm going to give you details and more information about warehouse. Thank you so much, and I wish you the very best in your business.